Hey everyone, welcome back to Code Scholastic with another video. In this video, we are going to learn how we can create table of content. What you need to do is, if you have any heading, the top heading is going to be the H1 and you are going to write introduction. This is going to be the text in the introduction heading. And in new chapter, I have literature review. And again, there is some text in literature review. In software lifecycle, subheading is going to be the H2. Development. Let's see. And then the last one is the conclusion. Now to make the table of the content, I need to go to the references, click on the table of content, and these are the built-in contents that you can use. You can also click on the more tables online or the custom table of the content if you want. I want automatic, so I am going to click on the first one and it auto-generated the table of content. If I make any changes here, and I want to update it, then click on update table of content, the entire table. That's it. Hopefully it was useful for you. So don't forget to subscribe.